Good evening, everybody. It is Monday. I'm coming down to check on the girls. Greg, usually my fiance, hi ducks, watch out. He usually takes care of the girls in the morning. Hi, girls. And he sent me a picture this morning of Cinnamon's eyes, which I will insert a picture somewhere of what that looked like this morning. I'm not really sure what's going on with them. She's kind of like, they're all raw right in the corners of her tear ducts. I would get if it was like one eye, maybe she scratched it, but it's both eyes. So I'm gonna try to put some of this antimicrobial spray just to kind of help with like the gunk, maybe in case it's like a little bit irritated, help with the irritation. Yeah, and then hopefully that will help. And then I will feed the girls, feed the boys, feed the ducks and chickens, and close everybody up for the night. Sure. Alrighty. Hi, baby. Everybody go out? Come on, everybody up. There we go. No, this is not going to be fun for you or for me. Oh, I hate to do this, but no. In your house. There you go. Come on. There you go. And just like that, everybody is taken care of. I'll keep everybody updated on Cinnamon's eye. Hopefully that will get better within the next couple of days. This stuff's pretty good stuff. Yeah, so good night. Hello, everybody. It's Tuesday. Get out of there. Still keeping an eye on Cinnamon's eyes. I mean, they don't necessarily look better, but they really don't look any worse either, so I'll spray her down again. I also have to send DNA samples out for Cinnamon and Sugar, just to verify that their dad is their dad. So I have to pull some hair follicles out of them, which I will do tonight. Okay, let's try a bucket instead. Watch out. Okay, come here. Bucket. Here, baby girl. Okay. Let's try to get some more, hon. All right, so you might not be able to see them. See the little hair follicles on the end there? Okay. I'd say we've got enough in there. Okay. All right, back in. Back in. Back in, back in, back in. Girls, everybody watch out. Get back in. Go on. Girls, you all watch out. Go back in. These are the worst gosh darn pliers. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Ugh. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I say that's enough too. Oh, yay. Oh. Come here. I know. I see if it's... Oh, quick spray of the eye. No, I know. Quick spray of the eye, I know. How's it looking? I just want to look at it. What'd you do to it, baby? Did you scratch it? So weird. Doesn't look any worse. So that's... Okay. All right. Come on. In. Get on in there. Big girl. Hello, everybody. They sound like they're out. Nope, they're not. Hi, girls. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. Hi. I've been trying to catch this guy on camera. I don't know if you can see him. It's our little wild bunny, Clover. I think he thinks he's a goat. Hi, babies. So yesterday, Greg took care of the girls in the morning, and he told me that Golden Hour had some blood on her backside. So I checked that out yesterday. She seems to be doing fine. I think that possibly she had a miscarriage, a very early miscarriage. She was bred to our buck toast in December, end of December. not really purposefully. He got out of the fence while she was in heat and bred her. And we just kind of went with it because she's big enough. And then she just started acting really weird. She's had her tail down and she's kind of been hunched over, and I was getting a little bit worried about her. I figured that she probably was pregnant because she was acting different. And then Greg came down yesterday and found blood on her tail. She's been acting great ever since. She's not hunched over anymore. Her tail's been up. She's been running around. So although I'm a little bit sad that she possibly lost a pregnancy, I'm also a little bit happy that she's feeling better. And we'll just wait till next fall, or this coming fall, and we'll try to breed her again in October, November, and hopefully that'll take. She'll be a little bit older, she'll be a little bit bigger. And now I'm gonna feed everybody. Yes, I'm gonna feed everybody. This is Lone Star. She's a nibbler. You bite and you scream. Nubians are known for screaming. Okay.
Riding waves, jumping out of airplanes, spinning down, erasing all your memories, lying on my shoulder, worried about your mother. Found your head rolling down the alley, spent the day looking for your body. Remember how I met you, dancing to the music. Gray eyes, gray eyes, feeling blue. Sacrificed too many moments, another grain of sand in the ocean. You decorate your door, you tell me that it's always open. Part of me is gone. I don't ask how and I don't ask why. Mining for jewels in the mountains, and no one in town wants to buy them. And time gets you thinking, thinking gets you crying. You're searching for a friend, but you're too busy trying. Gray eyes, gray eyes, feeling blue.
And just like that, we have completed another night.